If you've decided to reopen your closed DoorDash account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. It's important to ensure you have the necessary information ready before you begin. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash website. Go to the official DoorDash website or open the DoorDash app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Access the Help Center. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on the Help or Help Center link. This section contains various resources and options for account management. Step 3. Submit a request. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide account information. Fill out the required fields in the request form. Include your email address associated with the closed account and any other relevant details that can help identify your account. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a response from DoorDash support. They will provide instructions on the next steps or inform you if your account can be reopened. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to reopening your DoorDash account. Remember to check your email regularly for updates from customer support.